Hi students, I hope all are safe in this pandemic situation. Stay safe. Today I am going to teaching 10th ICSE Biology. Already we learned first three lessons. Third lesson genetics. We learned already what is genetics, life and contribution of Richard Johann Mendel, variation, chromosomes, a type of chromosome, and we learned already last class. Today we are going to learn chromosomes, carrier of genes and their alleles. What is chromosome? Last class we learned for here autosomes and allosomes. So what is autosome? Body chromosome or somatic chromosome, and allosomes otherwise called sex chromosomes. So autosomes in human body 22 pairs, and allosome sex chromosomes only one pair, last pair 23rd. Chromosome we can visible during cell division, either mitosis and meiosis happen for our body cell, plant cell, animal cell. The nucleic acid contract, shorter, thicker, thread-like structure is called a chromosome. It carry often one round body or called centromere, and either side presents two chromatids. It is called a chromosome, and this chromosome, the chromatid carrier of many more number of a gene. Gene is an factor, one of the characters. Here is given for here tongue roller and non-roller. So this is one of the characters. So this characters in scientists going to given some symbol. Roller and non-roller, and if you study for here tallness of the plant, capital T. So two alleles. So each and every gene consists of an two alleles. So gene pair consists of an allele. So what is allele? Gene carrier of two characters. A factor is called alleles. It is given for here. Every gene has two alternative forms for a characters producing different effects. These alternating forms are called alleles. So allele is made up of two symbols, either capital T or capital T and capital T, or capital T small t, or small t. Capital R is given for a round shape, and uh, small r wrinkled shape. We'll discuss next topics we have for you. This is come for here allele. So genes or factors is carrier of a chromosome or made up of a chromosome. Chromosomes consist of a different locus. Locus consists of number of a gene. Gene will be arranged in linear fashion. They are going to given number also, A, B, C, D. That's alphabetic alphabets going to given A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Likewise, depends upon the number of genes present some locus gene. Gene is made up of an alleles. So what is allele? A kind of an symbols such as for here capital T, small t, smaller, capital R. Then dominance and recessive. Uh, Gene consists of two alleles, such as for here two alleles, capital T, small t, and capital R, small r. So every gene pair consists of two alleles. Here is given for here. Is given here capital R, small r is called as gene pair. Gene pair presence of two allele, and this allele presence of a gene either dominant or recessive. So what is dominant? Usually yes, sorry. Dominant and recessive. expressing character is called dominant character. So out of these two alleles of gene, one is dominant. For example, capital R dominant and recessive genes are called small r. So usually a gene pair consists of one capital letter, one small letter. The capital letter is called dominant character, is called expressing character, and those character subordinate or submissive or suppressive character is called recessive, because these characters do not want to express. For example, tongue rolling is come for here dominance, non-roller is called recessive. This is going to given for here tongue roller and non-roller. Rolling, those people, tongue roller is called dominant character, and those people non-roller is called recessive characters. Given for here dominance and recessive. Then genetic constituents, they are going given for a genotype and a phenotype. So what is genotype? Genotype means, for example, monoid cross, the ratio is going to be given for 3:1, and the first ratio 3 will come for here 3:1. 3 genes are dominant, 1 will be recessive. So it's come for a phenotypic ratio. So external visibility of gene pair is called phenotype. Internal assessments is called genotype. So what is genotype? For example, genotype ratio 1:2, 2:1. Down is given. We'll explain later. 1:2, 2:1 is called genotype, because internal assessments or gene pairing. Then phenotype means external assessments, 3:1 ratio. So genotype ratio 3:1. Sorry, phenotype ratio 3:1, genotype ratio 1:2, 1:2:1 is called genotype ratio. Then homozygous dominant, heterozygous dominant. For example, homozygous dominant means all the alleles are both the alleles are capital letters, capital R, capital T, then capital A, axillary flower. Okay, it is come for homozygous. Then even homozygous recessive also given for recessive. Homozygous recessive, small r, or small t, or small a. Both alleles are small letters. They come for here recessive. Heterozygous means the gene pair consists of one dominant alleles and one recessive alleles. Okay, they are come for here hetero means different. The gene pair consists of dominancy and recessive characters come for here heterozygous dominant. Example for capital R, capital T, small t, capital A, capital W, small w. Likewise, they come for here heterozygous down. So here down is given genotype, the set of genes presence in the cell of an organism. It's an accurate number, 1:2:1 ratio. Phenotype ratio, the observable. So how many tall, how many dark, but they not vary from homozygous or heterozygous. So the observable characters which is genetically controlled. From parents to children, tongue rolling, an example of an inheritance. So father and mother is given a picture. The circle is called female or mother, and the square is called father. So both are roller. Both parents are roller. See the progeny. The first one non-roller, last two are called roller. So recessive character and dominant character. So here is given for here dominancy and recessive going to be given for here in this family members. So out of three offspring or progeny, one will be non-roller, other two are called roller. This is one of the features of genetics. Then observe the following points in the above pedigree chart. Males are shown by square, explained already. Female by circle. Both father and mother's tongue roller. Of the three children born, two can roll and one cannot roll. It's come for here hollow symbol and a solid symbol. And the fourth point, the recessive trait smaller, non-rolling, and a dominant role. Dominant one is come for here capital R. It's come for here dominancy and recessiveness. And here also given for here one of the crossing, parents male and female. So this one of the Punnett square. The Punnett square nothing but is a square. Square either 4 division or 16 division, and outside of that square just can displayed with the parents female and male. The symbol somewhere is given, and this come for parents and parents male homozygous tongue roller, and parents female heterozygous tongue rollers. Given for here 3 or come for here homozygous dominant, homozygous dominant, heterozygous dominant, heterozygous dominance. Given. Then go to dominance and recessive forms of some common hereditary traits. Going to given for here. Already we learned this features and characters in previous chapter. Eye color brown and blue. So brown dominant, blue color recessive. Tongue roller, rolling, non-rolling. So roller is from dominant, non-roller recessive. And hands, right-handedness, left-handedness is come for here dominance recessive. Earlobe free or attached. Next topic we have for you, we will explain. Lips thick and thin. Red blood RH blood group positive, negative. Color vision normal, color blindness. And cheek dimpled and normal. They are come for here dominant and recessive characters in all the humans. Then here is given for here those people are wearing watch, wrist watch, either left hand side or right hand side. This is one of the genetic traits. Some biology in designing the wrist watch, they are wear in left hand side and right hand side. Is one of the genetic features of human being. An interesting exercise to try. We see for our family members to watch that ear lobe. It's come for here free and attached. Free ear lobe and attached ear lobe. See the family members also. Father and mother supposed to free form. See the inheritance. Mother and father for their daughters will come for here. Usually come for here attached form and free form. So two, one son and one daughter will be attached form. Then other 3 will come for here free form. So ear lobe is free. This one they explain. Just suppose we are in our family members or those or relatives, if they see that ear lobe either free or attached, and see the father, mother and son and daughters, just here watch we can find out. Then family B, attached ear lobe, both male and female, father and mother and both parents. But here all the son and daughters ear lobes are usually attached form, but here is vary, attached and free. But here is given in all the family members, son and daughters, waited for here attached form of ear lobe. It's one of the interesting fact of exercise to try. Those people suppose have an ear lobes. Then sex linked inheritance. What is inheritance? Transfer of characters from parents to offspring. So sex link, last one pair of a chromosome is come for here sex determination of a male and female, and here have some change. Sex linked inheritance is the appearance of a trait which is due to the presence of an alleles. Then X linked inheritance is certain disorder caused due to hereditary, such as hemophilia and color blindness. Some other people, unknown people going to married either hemophilia. Hemophilia means bleeder disease. Blood does not clot easily because blood clotting, blood will be supposedly blood bleed our body. We got any wounds or injury within 5 to 8 minutes blood bleeding time. But some other people causing for hemophilia is not clot within 5 to 8 minutes. They take little more time. So bleeding diseases are called hemophilia. Color blindness, the people unable to detect color properly is one of that inheritance diseases. So these people going to marry, they have some problem. The number 1 is given for here, given 3 cases. Case 1, normal mother XX, color blind father. So what is color blindness? The people unable to dictate properly color vision. X dot Y, and both are married. See that their progeny. So here is mother, and here father, color blind father, normal mother going to married. The first one is come for here, color blind daughter. Two daughters are color blind, but both sons are normal vision. Usually color blind father, normal mother, but they are getting for four progeny. Two daughters, usually the disease will be spread or usually caused. The daughters got for here carrier is given for color blind, but daughters are carrier of the defective alleles for color blindness to get it, but both sons will be normal vision. This one of the case 1, color blind father and normal mother suppose get married, people causing for progeny cause for here some diseases. Then here is given for here one of that extreme case of an polydactyly. So what is polydactyly? Normally in our hands and leg, 4 limbs, 10 limbs consist of an 20 digits, but this one of the child, 15-month old child, get it for here 34 digits. So hands, 4 limbs consist of 7 plus 7, 14, and legs consist of 10 plus 10. So 20, 34 digits have for here is one of polydactyly, but they are going to they are successfully operated in AIIMS Hospital, New Delhi, and remove that extra digits of toes of the small child. Second case of color blindness, carrier mother XX dot and normal father going to married. See that progeny, carrier daughter, normal daughter, color blind son, normal son. So 4 progeny, 2 got for here, one daughter, one son got for here color blindness. Next 2 others are normal nature. They are normal daughter, normal son. Then third case going given for here, blank going to given, but you have to fill it here the crossing. Okay, so here third case completely they are going to given for color blind man X dot Y sperm 2 type, and carrier women X dot X. So X 2 types. Here will come for here what you have to fill it here the columns, the progeny usually will come for here the first column will come for here X dot. So here this X dot and this X dot come here first column, they come for here completely color blind daughters. Then second column will come for here X and Y will come for here normal son. Then here will come for here X dot and Y will come for color blind son. Then here the fourth column will come for here X and Y will normal son. Normal son to receive this group of family members, and they given for a third case. Okay, so this is an third one. Then here going to given one of that Y-linked inheritance is, if you see that ear lobe, outer ear, some of the people without any hair, but this is one of the trait or characters, one of the effects of a gene causing for here presence of an hair will be as was Y chromosomes linked to trait occurs in male but not in female. For example, traits such as hypertrichosis of an ear hair growing over ears, and the patterns baldness is one of the features of an characters of a gene. Then Mendel's experiments on inheritance. Here we learn for here Mendel work out Pisum sativum in the garden whenever they are kept for lesser time and observe 7 trait of characters and did for here some crossing, monohybrid cross and dihybrid cross. Richard Johann Mendel, father of genetics, the Gordon P find out 7 traits of characters. In Pisum sativum, character are called color, flower color, dominant and recessive. So dominant color purple and white color, and seed color yellow and green. Then seed shape round and wrinkled. See that shape, round shape and wrinkled shape, and part color. What is part? Outer cover, pericarp of legume plants. Legume fruit or compare here part. Green color, yellow color. But here yellow and green. Don't confuse. Seed color yellow and green. Part color green and yellow. And part shape inflated and constricted. This compare part shape and flower position, axillary, terminal, and plant growth, plant height, tall and dark. Okay, so this compare here 7 traits of Mendelian principle. Then here is given for here axillary. In case 1, they are going to given for here 3 type of crossing. Case 1, terminal flower and axillary flower going to cross during monohybrid cross 2 generation. The terminal flower, the symbol is given for small a, axillary flower, the symbol going to given for here capital A, given for terminal flower small a, axillary flower capital A, is come for parents. Then they did for cross pollination. The scientist itself to complete for pollination, transfer of pollen grains from male plant to female plant. They are considered either male or female here. Then during F1 generation, all plants are produce axillary flower. Then same F1 hybrids again go to F2 generation, second filial generation. F1 stands for first filial generation. F2 stands for second filial generation. F stands for filial. Here heterozygous dominant, capital A, small a, and see that progeny of a second filial generation, 3 axillary flower and 1 terminal flower. See that ratio, phenotype ratio 3:1 is given for here. Phenotype ratio 3:1 and genotype ratio 1:2:1 is given for phenotype ratio 3:1, 3 axillary and 1 terminal, and genotype ratio 1 pure axillary and 2 mixed axillary and 1 pure recessive axillary, 1 pure axillary, 1 pure terminal flower. So this comes for first case of monohybrid cross. Case 2 is using tall and dark characters. So tall characters capital T and dark characters small t. Same symbols going to be given for here, dominance and recessive. Homozygous dominant, homozygous recessive. And here parents are called pure tall and dwarf, capital T, small t. And F1 generation, first fill generation, all plants are tall, capital T, small t. Then F2 generation, same F1 go to for here cross, did for here self pollination to get it for here 3:1 ratio, 3 tall and 1 recessive. But this 3 tall, 1 will be pure tall, other 2 are called mixed tall. Come for here hybrid tall, capital T, small t. So homozygous dominant, heterozygous dominant, homozygous recessive. The ratio going to be given phenotype ratio 3:1, genotype ratio 1:2. What is 1:1? 1:2:1. 1 first one I think 25% and 50% is 2%. 2:2 will come for here heterozygous tall. Then remain 25% or 1 will come for here homozygous recessive. They come for 3:1, 1:2:1. Second type. The third or case 3, similar on crossing the plant's growth for from the pure round shaped seed, brinkled shaped seed. So he is using for here, the parents are called round shape, brinkled shape, and the first generation, all the seeds, the plants producing round shape but heterozygous dominant. Here homozygous dominant, homozygous recessive, and during F2 generation 3 round shape and 1 brinkled. So genotype ratio 1:2:1. 1 because 1 homozygous round shape, 2 heterozygous or round shape, then 1 brinkled shape. They come for here 1:2:1 in genotype ratio. Phenotypically 3 round shape and 1 brinkled. They come for phenotype ratio. Genotype ratio. Next, he is using for here 2 contrasting characters. Monotypic cross means 1 contrasting characters, round and wrinkled, tall and all. But here, the scientists going to using for 2 contrasting characters. They are going to give for round yellow. The symbol will come for capital R, capital Y, wrinkled green, small r, small y. Okay, so this come for here, but this cross, diabetic cross, to get it for only one ratio, common ratio, come for a 9:3:3. 16 gametes produced during F2 generation. During here also F1 generation, all plants are round and yellow during F1 generation. But F2 generation, they are receiving for here 9:3:1. So out of 16, 9 are round and yellow, and 3 are round and green, and 3 brinkled and yellow, and last one will come for brinkled and green. This come for here diabetic cross. He did for here successfully and make them for here the ratio. So monotypic cross, F2 generation, phenotype 3:1, genotype 1:2:1. Diabetic cross, there is no any genotypic, very complex, but phenotypic 9:3:3:1. 16 gametes distributed, 9 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1, a kind of an crossing. Mendel law of inheritance. During crossing, he made a lot of laws. Law of dominance. What is dominance? Expressing characters is called dominant, and suppressing character is called recessive. So here dominant. So here out of a pair of contrasting characters presents together, only one is able to express. Example, capital T, capital R, capital A, and while the other remains suppressed. Same gene pair, capital T, small t, recessive suppressing characters, small r, brinkled shape, recessive characters, and small a, terminal flower, suppressing characters. So those characters expressing are called dominant. Those characters suppressing, do not express out, is come for here recessive. Then here going to give a clear picture about monotypic cross. Tall plants, dwarf plants. Okay, capital T. So homozygous dominant, homozygous recessive, and using for here hybrid seed formation. During F1, all plants are tall. So mixed tall, because it's not so heighted but medium size, capital T, but there is no any variation, capital T, small t. Same plants goes to for here F2 generation, producing for here 1 homozygous tall, 2 heterozygous tall, and 1 recessive. Then here is given for here ratio pure tall 1 and mixed tall 2 and pure dwarf 1. It's a complete picture going to be given for here monotypic cross. Then second law, come for law of segregation. The two members of a pair of factors separated during the formation of a gamete again to the random fusion at the time of a zygote formation. So here tall and dark will be just separated, but at the time of an F1 and F2 generation again repeating for here tall and dark, but the ratio will be changed, number will be vary, but here we are using for here one pair of tall and one pair of tall and dark plants. We are using two plants, but at the last F2 generation we are getting for here four offspring or hybrid, three tall and one recessive. This come for here law of segregation. The law of independent assortments, when the two pairs of contrasting characters, the distribution of the members of the one pair into the gamete is independently of the t-cells. But here during divided cross, the gene pair or the hybrid or offspring, not gene pair, or hybrid or offspring will be completely separated, because we are getting for here, we are using for two parents are called round yellow, brinkled green, but we are getting for here four type of offspring are called round yellow, round green, brinkled yellow, brinkled green. This come for here completely change law of an independent during offspring formation. Then application of a Mendel's law, we will use it for the new combination, because Mendel explained the basic Mendelian principle to get it for here the new combination of plants. Then great importance of both plants and animal we are using for Mendelian law, and we are getting the family members also, then produced by hybridization. Then next will come for mutation. Mutation is a sudden heritable change. It is two type are called natural and artificial. Natural means in our solar system consists of two type of rays are called visible ray, invisible rays. So visible rays are Meteor, and invisible rays are called X-ray, alpha ray, UV ray, gamma ray, delta ray. So these rays are going to protected with the help of ozone layer. Sometimes what happens for here, this rays will be infiltrated in atmosphere and causing plants and animal for mutation. Mutation is a sudden change in one or more genes or in the number in the structure. Mutations alter the hereditary material and material of an organism, cells and cells. Some change happen for here, so resulting in change. Lot of change, but in our syllabus going to given for two changes are called sickle cell anemia. So what is sickle cell? Normally the RBC, we know the shape, RBC round in shape, biconjugate disc shape. So this RBC carrier of oxygen, but those people causing for here sickle cell anemic condition of a mutation, the rays going to affect either natural or artificial. The RBC cell going to change the shape, sickle cell shape, unable to carry enough amount of oxygen, because one of the change in the DNA shape of RBC will be sickle shape. It's not complete developments. The people causing for here sickle cell anemia, unable to carry enough amount of oxygen, people suffer more. Then radioactive radiation. Here an atomic explosion which had occurred during World War II 1945 in Japan, Hiroshima, Nagasaki. A number of deformities happen for here in plants and animal, as still now also presenting, because this because of an mutation process. So today topic is a gene, genetic is a last topic of you. That's all for genetic lesson, and I hope all are understood this topic. Please learn well, study well, and work out that genetic problems. And those who have any doubts, please ask me. And stay safe in your home. Don't come out of our home. Be safe. Thank you.